Praise the Lord on the third day, third day. Oh, He is risen, He is risen. We praise the Lord. Oh, He is risen, He is risen. That's why we praise the Lord. And there's no other God than you. There is no other God than you. And Jesus is His only begotten Son. And we see a fire burning bright, really bright. I see the fire burning among my people. See a fire burning inside your heart. I see a fire burning with blazing prayers. The valley will raise all over the nation. Fire of love, fire of mercy, a fire of grace, a fire so powerful, a fire of light that reaches through the darkness to give you a hope and trust in the Lord. Give you a hope